Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
when I almost see the 3, 2, 1, it's fire pressure.
So serious kakhulu.
It's fire pressure, bro. So ngani lokuzini, so ngani ngama interviews la na ZBC ukuthi siphiwe 30 minutes la.
Sisibali script la.
Sisibali script. But bro mina kungangihlupha lokho yana ukubali script. Lokho kungangihlupha lokho. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to special edition of the BYO podcast in Ingxoxo 99. Today we are joined by Ufato.
Yes, sir.
Farai Mbaiwa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, my brother?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Hey, so man.
So I with the laying any shaking bitch and
Ndoja, I'm sure I want to like people that are watching now
Yeah.
are probably asking themselves with Injan because you want to need going on.
What do you call short? So I
Yeah, ngati slow balance. But I see like this is not the perfect weather for I wonder what thing is 10 to call.
It's not the perfect weather for anything though.
Bro.
In this weather, bro. I don't wanna lie.
But at least when I when I need uqala ngestand uqala ngemotor I mean.
That's a tricky one. I think the wise decision is to stand. But it's a thing more.
I feel it's a thing.
Because that's what we do.
Yeah, ngoba bro. We stand. I feel like it's stand. So see sharp so. See sharp really, but hey, karesi bro.
True. But the thing is with the land, it doesn't depreciate.
Mm.
When you patela mama dollar for TTI.
Ondota.
Service.
What's want to feel see. Good trick. Good trick. So for the people that are seeing you for the first time, which is not the case for most people, yeah.
Okay.
But abantu abakubona for the first time, ufara imbani. Like what do you do? Wenzani?
Yeah. So basically, what I'm doing now is content creation.
Mm-hmm.
I own a clothing brand called Ubuntu.
Mm-hmm.
I host a run club, Lapa Brooks, every Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
I do marketing consultancy. I do marketing. So really, I'm just all over the place. I'd say I'm a creative entrepreneur.
Yeah, creative.
Yeah.
Before we get into the creative side and the brand, tell me more about your family.
Yeah.
Let's say I'm your elder brother.
Yeah.
How is the home setup like
Okay.
in?
I mean, I'm 21 currently.
21.
21, yeah. I'm 21.
Yo, I'm yo.
I'll go with bro.
I was raised by a single mom, Lape Woodlands, my whole life. Kolosis Somomdala. Kolosis Tembi. That's like my second mother.
Tembi.
This Tembi. Yeah, it's our helper, but this is Tembi.
Okay.
That's like my second mother though. Like she's been there ever
since you were a kid.
Since I was a kid.
Yeah.
She's there till this day. So that's the situation in Kaya.
Mm-hmm.
Abafazi water.
Maybe Masalo strict yini usisithembi ya
Usithembi
ngokukathi.
wine rapper kade sengiqondile but Usencane wine rapper sibili but uMasalo yena she's very chill, she's very relaxed, she's easy going, you know, akakho street kakhulu. So
So you're very sharp.
I have a sharp. sharp.
Christian background.
Christian background. I was raised Christian. Obviously, I was in high school. You try to explore different things.
Yeah.
But then you find I found my way back.
Yeah.
Now I'm a firm believer in Jesus Christ.
I feel like if Lena is very much normal, bro.
It's normal. It happens, man.
Iguti like says when an says is smart too much. When you start reading,
But maybe I must start signs. Maybe people
when you start reading too much, you're like,
yeah.
but why is it that?
Exactly.
And funny thing is, when you are asking those questions to
Yeah.
your elders at church, your pastors, labo baswela
they
impendulo, bro.
brush it off, Phil. They brush it.
Baswela impendulo.
Yeah, because my best friend is Indian, huh? City umganami is Hindu. So also sengene ezulwini ngenxa ukuthi is Hindu. How is that fair? Vele ngangizonde kakhulu vele. But like 2 years ngizondile.
Ukuthi mina why mina ngihambe mina side.
Exactly. But I found my way back.
But imagine now, how do you then navigate through? Because it's still the same thing.
It is the same thing. But then I learned that the love you show to abangani bakho, they will end up eventually asking, indawo tshona unje so kanti mithi hayi it's Jesus Christ, eh?
Yeah.
And then maybe they'll try. I don't know. It's a sticky topic into that.
Yeah, I feel like the situation yangikhona mina lami khona izichomi zami lezi
Yeah.
as a podcast izdawa zonke bro.
Yeah.
Abantu bembuza bembuza ukuthi kathi abakuboni relax. Abantu bembuza ukuthi like utshona njani labafana laba abangekho right. I'm like no guys, me I'm an example, yabo. So
exactly.
I feel like ngendlela emphila ngayo mina
Yeah.
bazathithisa for this. Ngendlela mina emphila ngayo yani.
Yeah.
Labo kumele babone ukuthi no,
Yeah.
this is the right thing.
Exactly.
This is the right
Like,
thing.
that's what we hope for. You know, nxabo labangani from different, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Then in terms of schooling,
Okay.
CBC before like
Yeah.
CBC throughout.
Primary okay. ECDA grade 0 nganse.
Wahamba lo grade 0.
Grade 0 nganse wendi necessary lapha nacela ngefaza yakhe. And they ngathi Tencent primary, eLanda ngathi CBC high school.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge jump from Tencent primary CBC.
CBC.
I went from Jaggy to own.
I think into sharp because now you get to because when you tell figure la mbona ngani vele will stick to Farai. But ngeze city fatho ngathi is one of us.
I've seen the best of both worlds. You know, like abantu bonke alisa ladlele but amncava madayideng.
Yeah, plus yeah. Khona uqathekile. Into efani ukuthi bengutshela eSpani lapha. Lami lapha eSpana khona guys. Bathi bro ngingu-cheese boy. And mina angikho anything closer to a cheese boy. But ngale bathi hayi angina.
Cheese boy.
Turn this keyword too much. I'm like guys.
Amele adapt ibijana.
Yeah.
Code switch anyana.
Yeah, lawo mele lento lana ukuthi alright sharp. Senda wo Jada. Afama jenze hamani. But uDogo kapho mina kasaphumi. Yo dog ngikhuluma nomuntu omdala kona.
Ana kuzima ukuthi uphume. Kuzima dog.
Then Tencent CBC.
Yeah.
How is it like in a boys' school, bro?
At first it was hard. Of course, I'm coming from Tencent primary school. Went on Laba very Whitestone, you know.
Yeah.
Razana already. So me, I'm trying to find my footing at CBC. But eventually you find your way. Boys' school, it's not an easy place to be.
Yeah, I'm sure lama I sense lama initiation ngale babili drive isamaloku zenini.
I'm but yeah.
Oh, it's like it's part of the culture. It's okwenzakalayo there.
Yeah, nyakhuluma vele ngu form 1. But ngene say in a dark room. But what's rule number 1? No snitching, say. Kumnyama chuyezu sesawa njani.
Khona baka kwi-student. Ke kwi-student esithi no.
First time esikolo nodubunti khani uhamba njani. Sebenchama ritual kumehamba njani.
No bro ngangeke ngisurvive bro. At a boys school.
Hayi eqina bro.
Ngithanda amankazana. Not ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuthi
suba nje.
There's no going back.
Not ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi ngithanda ukuwasebenzisa but them just being around bro.
Just like
it's aesthetically pleasing. I need to aesthetic.
Manje wafunda njani? Wafunda nzima vele.
Angafunda empophoma so ngcono but isimo ngempophoma man.
Yeah.
Sonke sasigela impabanga.
So ngela ma fresh ons.
Sonke sasigere impabanga lamankazana bro. So
Yeah.
what you kuchinje recently I think. Ngare I see bo amankazana seyilokhu izinwele but thina thos impabanga
Baba
throughout.
straight.
Konke singamankazana so
I got that's fair.
okufana. But I feel like
Yeah.
i-glow up yomntwana okhule vele egele impabanga like
Hey.
ngenye 360
Serious? Abaza ngakubona.
because ngiyabe ngitshela ukubona unswi then the next thing I'm like
Such I'm a French kills. I know.
yeah, but otherwise esikolo
Yeah.
I've read that you were
Yeah.
so much into extracurricular activities
Yeah,
and
for
you've
sure.
been out of the country
Yeah.
on various occasions. Ngama sports or
Yeah, I'm a sports. I was mainly into sports really from primary school.
Mhm.
I was a little bit chubby in primary school, but then I'm kitchen marco. I'm trying to kitchen.
Okay.
I'm basketball. Those are like my first two passions when it comes to sport.
yeah.
So basically in high school, I was like one of the best athletes there in track as well as basketball. I really basketball really.
Also,
So like I got like the chance to travel to different places in Spain.
Mhm.
We went to just all over like Africa as well, just playing in basketball. So that was
You
pretty cool.
travel vele ohlaqala like
Yeah, and since I'm
Yeah.
grateful vele, yeah.
yeah
Thank you,
because
Bonnie.
abanye pro asizayesuke eZimbabwe man.
Serious? Ala man. Ngitsho negoli.
Ngikhulumela abanye.
Okay.
Phela lapha I represent some of my friends. Yabo so I'm
your
like
friends are getting the backhand today. He's down. Wala my passport.
So when you're done with school, you move
Yeah.
to Canada.
Yes.
What's the reason of that move? Is it education?
So yeah, it was mainly for education,
Mhm.
but also like trying to seek a better life.
Mhm.
Because straight after high school, I was supposed to do accounting at UI
Mhm.
the next year. But then during that time, I applied to like universities in Canada, stuff like that.
Mhm.
And then when I got the chance to go to Ngamba, also I had an advantage because I had family that side. I know
Oh yeah.
stuff like that. So I just went there for education,
Mhm.
and yeah, that was basically it.
So like what's the biggest culture shock that you got in?
I think the
You know
weather,
that.
the weather was crazy.
Yaqanda.
I get kanda, bro.
That's
'Cause
why
Africa-
when I'm like yaqanda
Hey,
but
I'm a very sharp. You were the lame nandi. Because nothing figure it was summertime and no cheese and ngati alapha kumna.
get cheese.
When it's winter,
Mhm.
minus 35 degrees.
Mm.
Uchama hapo majaketi angu 3 kodwa yabuqhuqa.
Yabuza umqando
yeah,
bro
too
like
much.
from within. Vele mawungalama abo aircon endlini
Yeah,
abanyalimali.
vele, at least
Lam-
izindlu zonke zama aircon. So.
Yeah. Awungeke usurviving yet.
Angeke.
But then
Yeah.
we get a lot of people on social media, bro, that are
Yeah.
posting Guti. It's so much difficult to switch back from
Mm.
ukusuka like elizweni like Canada and come
Yeah.
back to Zim.
Yes.
Abanye ngabasuke eGermany. Uzomuntu esithi is depressing.
Mhm.
Then how do you then take the bold move of coming back? What influences you ukuthi uphenduke lapha eZimbabwe?
Yeah. I think what I noticed quickly about the life that side, ukuthi impilo your credit. Impilo ama credit card nxa ufuna uthenga indlu you buy it on credit, nxa ufuna uthenga imoto it's on credit. It's so hard for you ukuthi ube le asset khona ngale. So mina ngifuna I want generational wealth basically.
Mm-hmm.
So kunzima ukuthi build a generational wealth especially as a foreigner in a different country.
Yep.
And I wanted to make my own money nganisebenzela any company mvuya ngo4 ekseni late nights. You know, I'm seeing ukuthi lapha I'm wasting almost my energy and my time making someone else rich when I can just do my own thing. When I can try to do my own thing. So ngati I just made the executive decision ukuthi let me just come back and just try to do my own thing and see how it goes.
And how has that been so far?
It's been steady. I say it's been obviously it's Zimbabwe.
Yeah, Zimbabwe is
Yeah. Bulawayo, I don't know what it is with Bulawayo, but it's a bit slow. It's a little bit slow, but then you have to like keep on pushing, but then it's steady.
Yeah, and I really appreciate abantu abanjenga bro because yeah when I'm odds amaningi against people that
Yeah.
I'm odds amaningi against creatives very
Yeah,
like you just have to go an extra mile in explaining ukuthi no but guys I'm doing this
Exactly,
like
exactly.
this is what I'm proposing
Exactly.
and
yeah.
you be proposing ebantwini abadala bro
Yeah,
like
yeah,
yo
they don't get it, yeah.
yeah
I think like the main thing is to make yourself as valuable as possible. Like when I'm creating, I make sure that I make the best edits, I make the
Yeah.
cleanest cuts ever, so that when people watch my content, they're like, know we need them for marketing for this.
yeah
So you have to be like very valuable as a creative, you know.
Because bro,
Yeah.
mina for some time I didn't know uthi
Yeah.
usula.
Yeah.
I even
True.
like when I shoot as I
Eh.
had to go back and like no
Come
man.
on, lapha-
Because all this time, bro,
Yeah.
yeah. because
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the because of the quality
Yeah.
and I feel like it's something that abaning should
Yeah.
adopt la.
True. Yeah. I feel like if all creatives just focus on like equality on our content, I feel like people will take us more seriously. They'll
Yeah.
definitely take us more seriously.
Then how
Yeah.
do you get into content? Like
Yeah.
motivate to qale? Like do you remember the first video that you shot?
I actually do remember. Like I remember his cut the TikTok. And
Yeah.
Zawadi, shout out Zawadi. She was like, bro, you should get TikTok. I'm like, man, TikTok nyamankasa.
Exactly.
I TikTok, but like, no, you should do it. And I said, okay, fine. And then eventually, November 2024, I just made like some random video. I got like 3,000 views, whatever. I'm going to count a poster. I want to pop off, I want to be famous. But then I kept on posting, and then when I was that side, I started speaking my native language. It's in Ndebele. And then that's when people started to connect with me more and started coming in. And then, yeah, the rest is history, I guess.
Yeah, I feel like when I uqalisa lapha
Yeah.
mina vele TikTok lami i-TikTok sasiyazi into yabo sisi vele.
Yeah.
Singangubona ungomjidi usenza ama TikTok challenges. I'm like,
Exactly.
yeah, my brother.
Something.
What are you doing
Yeah,
there?
exactly.
But khona ukuthi nje you just did a video and
yeah. From there, we
just took off.
Exactly. Yeah.
Awuzange waba lento lento uqalisa maybe engagement yayilo.
Yeah. It was very low in Kalisa Valley. I didn't have high expectations, which I actually think was good. I'm going to create it just for fun because I also tapped into my creative side because most of the time when I was in high school, the creativity really was shunned upon. Now in the art,
Yeah.
So I was very much into my commercial stuff like that. But on that side, I started doing my editing, stuff like that. So I was just experimenting post Alami. Because I don't know, I didn't have pressure anymore. But I'm now that side anyway.
Yeah.
So it's like when I started posting, obviously engagement was low, but then I was experimenting and eventually I found like what I'm good at, what people like and stuff like that.
Yeah, kind of the experience of like putting in the work and then you get 2 likes.
Yeah, ish. It's different, bro.
Because
That hurts.
I've seen, we do record some episodes. We are like, this was fire.
Yeah.
Like, ngananzela ukuthi Tina singakholisa kakhulu.
Yeah.
It's shit.
Serious?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Tina singakholisa Tina sisodwa like.
Yeah.
When it's fun like sisodwa.
Yeah.
It's usually shit. And
Serious?
abangani bami again.
Yeah.
Ngike ngibatshele ukuthi
Mm.
this
Hey.
It's
like,
going
no,
down.
why are you saying that?
Hey.
I'm like, wait and see.
So what would you say makes like that has the most views?
I think Tina singakholisa kakhulu, we tend to focus on ourselves kakhulu, yabona.
yes.
But
yes.
content,
Yeah.
when you're doing content, mele ube in the shoes of people that are going to receive it.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi abantu abangafaki effort when doing the content.
Yeah.
Yabona nje abantu bazayireceive ngendlela wena oyifaka ngayo.
True,
Yabo, the
true.
energy that you put in
Yeah.
is how the content is going to be received.
Exactly.
So now what kind of content do you do? Like
I do a bit of everything. I like to document my journey. It's in running. I like to storytell about my journey. I like to do fashion content. I like to do anything lifestyle. I just like to
Yeah.
dabble into everything.
yeah, ungabi
I need a niche. I wish I had a niche, but I don't think I have a niche.
Hey,
I don't think.
mina one thing that I wished ngayiyenza kudala. Yabona
Yeah.
content ye-tech la.
You better take
Ye-tech sibe sithola ama-iPhone
those
mahara,
ish,
bro.
ish, ish. There's like an
This is-
essay. Like
Lemali
Lemali, Chitalana. Lemali, bro.
ujijalana se-review ama-perfume
Yeah.
12,000, bro.
Imagine, bro. That's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. Yeah.
But manje, do you think content alone
Yeah.
in Zim,
Yeah.
umuntu can do straight content yodwa and survive, or you have to
No, yeah, and survive. Okay, yes, maybe you can survive because
Yeah.
surviving,
eat
You can,
different?
exactly. You can have amanzi every day in yourself.
You survive, right?
Yeah, but like for you to be comfortable, I think you'll have to like do something else
Yeah,
for sure. Because the content, unfortunately, doesn't pay as much.
yeah.
But I think it's a growing market. People are now seeing the value in Bichana. It's a growing market for sure.
Do you think we'll ever reach a point where we're like, Garesi, we're just doing content?
Full-time content creation.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think in 10 years' time. I think it all just depends on us.
Process is
No, kulo guy anosebenza that old man oyetshona gita ku TikTok.
Oh
And then
yeah.
bamthengela imota ngo-Drake and stuff. Have you
Oh
seen that
yeah,
guy?
yeah. I've seen him.
He's
I've
old,
seen
but
him.
then
yakho i chance yakho mayisifikile bro.
Exactly.
I feel like yeah.
I just feel like it's up to us to pave the way.
Mhm.
The other guys that are coming up. Kuti, let's push. And
Yeah.
then by the time it's like 10 years time, you can have a living in content creation.
Yeah, at least uyabusukwazi ukuthi abanye are going to make money out of
Exactly.
bro.
Yeah.
I remember
Uh,
when I first started
yeah.
because advertise for someone to advertise on Instagram ngokuyimalini
Go Malin.
$10 ngambhadala said ngiyakutshela bro. And that time I was pushing 15,000 followers there on Instagram.
I'm sure $10.
$10 bro. And hey,
Serious?
bro, I remember mina story sami sisubuhlungu but story for another day. Mina talk ngangisenza kwe-sound yabo.
Yeah.
Like kulo munye umasala eKasi wayele speaker.
Yeah.
So I used to ngaba le eventing ngihambe. So ngangisenza khona ukya like the
Yeah.
whole day.
Yeah.
Ngithole $10. Then I'm like, sharp. But then I realized the social media ngiposte one
Yeah.
and get that $10.
Exactly.
But I want to resi
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you don't charge $10.
No, never.
Nothing close.
Never.
Yeah, well, so konoko kuluma ukuthi the fact that there are people doing it Garesi,
Yeah.
it really paves way for the next people. And yabo
Yeah.
naqala $10.
Yeah.
And I'm sure selisha amataza.
You see, exactly.
Abanye ngale besebenza like more.
Exactly.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So what doors have been open for you nge content?
Pretty crazy. Ngathi like ngilenda. The thing ngilenda. I have one of the content creators. The name is Natalie Nachipo. She messaged me. She said, "Yo, there's a Steers partnership that's happening. Would you like to hop on?" I said, "Oh, okay, cool." So I did a Steers campaign in December. I did a Creamy Inn campaign as well. I did Ferry Cafe. I did Bena's Villa. I did like a couple in December for sure.
Yeah.
Now I'm working with the Nyarazo team because I'm a runner as well. So like there's a marathon going on. So I'm working closely with Nyarazo and all this stuff. So yeah, just to name a few.
Yeah, when I feel like for you to partner with I'm a Prince Anjalo,
Yeah.
there's a certain level of professionalism normally apply to
Definitely.
your content. So
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you are treating it as a 9 to 5 as well.
Hey, it's a business.
In as much as you do other things, but
Yeah.
what advice can you give to someone who is watching
Yeah.
wins the content, but
Yeah.
they're not putting in that professionalism with the
Yeah, true. I'd say that you should be very intentional. Okay, in content, but what am I doing content for? Like in Funani out of this thing. You know, so be intentional. If you want to attract a skincare brand, in Ziyama skincare, shoot them skincare videos, promote the brand. It's not only you already have the brand deal.
yeah,
And also reach out to my brands on allow allow because
yeah. Plus, I feel like ukuze abantu bawubelieve ukuthi uthengisa amatamatisi kumele ube lamatamatisi wa display.
exactly.
I remember mina ngaye ngalokhuza ngaye ngaposti i-Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
I-Coca-Cola Zimbabwe yahamba ya comment on my IG.
See?
Ngabe
Yeah.
ngambhadalanga cent. Manje abangani bami abangani bami benzani ku-post yangikhona ba comment be reply i-Coca-Cola bathi nikeni imali Zinja.
Zinja futhi wacela sokunikile.
Kwakabi bro, that was the end of the road.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but konoko kukhuluma ukuthi melu like start doing something.
Yes.
I don't think ikhona ibrand elinga approach nje from especially la.
Yeah,
I
especially
don't know about Harare, bro.
Yeah.
Maybe Harare
I think Harare is different for sure. It's a growing because balama marketing agencies as well. Uthi if you're a content creator, you just sign up with the agency. They look for ama brand deals for you. They just you just get an email with you.
So melu sebenzi.
Exactly.
Do we have those agencies here in Bulawayo?
No, but there's one that's up and coming. I can't say who they are, but there's one that's up and coming.
Yeah,
I think it's pretty cool.
Isifake lathi.
Hey, I very
Siyafuna lathi.
Yeah.
So you started a brand,
Yes.
Ubuntu, right?
Yes.
How does that come about? And I'm seeing you are rocking one of the
unreleased
yep
merch.
unreleased exclusive.
Exclusive, yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I had a cool story to tell. Hey, it was just I was in my grandmother's basement, and I was like, I'm tired of buying this gobo, which is not my style. I was like, if I'm gonna have an impact, if I go back home, what do I want to change? Where can I fit? And for me, that was like the fashion scene, because I like his go. I like fashion and all this stuff. So the term Ubuntu for me, I lived it my whole life, basically. From the time in Zwala Village, it was Ubuntu from the go. Like the people you see every day, people you talk to, it's we live it.
But yeah, we want to enjoy teacher me shoni pile. Eh, bon. Teacher me lo Ubuntu si.
Because it was instilled for me vele ngisasemncane ukuthi indoda yahlonipha, stuff like that. You know, yabingelela abantu emgwaqweni. And so it's like it was easy for me coming up with the term.
Yeah,
because it's a lifestyle. We all live it. It's a lifestyle, and it's very important.
And it's not only I'm seeing which is not only a clothing brand now.
Yeah.
It's a running club.
It's a running club, exactly.
How is the turn up so far?
It's been crazy. I think my first turnout we had like 30 people. Then the next week we had like 60. The next year like over 60. So like it's been very steady. It's been very steady. I think the weather now is a bit shaky, but then it's been good. I'm happy.
What's the reputation of running clubs?
Hey. Me man, as long as I want to make Kichi Milan, okay, it's after.
I was in game. As long as I want to make Kichi Milan.
Exactly.
But yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, I think it's also a good thing which you're not focusing on one thing. Yeah, when you content, you clothing brand, is a running club, and these into zonges and les, and I want like people are showing up, bro.
Yes, definitely. I'm also putting in the work. You know, I'm trying. Hopefully, someone will see what I'm find what putting in the work. We could work with them.
Yeah, but now, what advice would you give to people that are when so many people are influenced by what we consume online?
Yes,
like we see so much success from Instagram, TikTok. Like people posting those nice, really. Posting those sharp, and about feeling pressure social media and like. I feel like any pressure social media and
Is this to the daily consumer or to a creative?
I think going because for creative, when I'm creative,
exactly. I'd say for a creative, create more than you consume. I think that's a very important habit to practice. The more you create, the better you become at it. You know, and in terms of pressure, it's hard to create from a point of content because you can only make so much content. You won't be authentic anymore, and people can tell what.
Yeah, cope.
Exactly, it's not authentic. So I'd say create more than you consume, and also I'd say that create from within, create from a place of authenticity. And to the daily consumer, daily consumer, very. It's hard to tell daily consumers.
Yeah, because they'll consume already algorithm. It's stashed.
Because some people genuinely just want to consume content, you know. But so much don't have feel pressure. Just as long as it's good pressure.
Yeah,
it's good pressure. It makes you want to work harder to go for whatever that person is posting. Then.
I'm pretty sure, bro. Now that's a school meaning in the serious.
Yeah.
As nings a great hangas.
Yeah.
Amankazana bugile. Amankazana bugile na afuna kuba wazi ukuthi uba for yena.
Yeah.
Relationship ini or
No, I'm very single. I'm not mingling though. I'm not mingling. I carry since I 7. I want to get to a level where I can provide for my partner and stuff like that.
My brother is very dangerous.
New problem in town.
The bro is very dangerous.
Guys, my view is
But it could have got bro.
Kakhulu,
I
kakhulu.
really think, Jay, women want money, bro. Like, bafuna imali.
Vele, that's your role, to provide and to protect. Not provide to provide, like emotionally, yes, but also like financially. It's quite
Yeah,
Practically, yeah. So I'd never bother umntana womuntu ngikwazi ukuthi hey, let's come in.
And
empty.
yabona sometimes. Phela
Yeah.
taste yakho uyawuyibona right?
Hey.
Lapha ngizathwala nzima la.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, before we close, do you have any questions for the bro?
All right, maybe just one or two questions.
Yeah.
The first one would be, I noticed, I think you mentioned it earlier on, Uti, when you started using your native language
Yeah.
from Canada,
Yeah.
people started engaging more.
Yes.
So what do you think people here in Zim
Yeah.
can try and apply into their content creation that might as well have the same effect with that?
I'd say authenticity, because when I was in Canada, I was speaking in my native, like I wasn't trying to be someone else, you know. It's in like my mom Ndebele, that's my mother tongue, you know. So it's like I was speaking this Ndebele authentically. I wasn't trying to make people think, this guy is doing this for clout and stuff like that. So I think when you're here in Bulawayo as well, I feel like you try to do the same thing. I feel like if you have more authentic creators, we'd have more brands respecting us. We'd have like more engageable content, you know. Just keep it real, basically. That's what I'd say.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the last question is, from the content that you've seen so far in Bulawayo,
Yeah.
what are the few things that you think we should change, or rather we should revisit, or just work on
Yeah.
to improve the type of content that we are producing here?
Definitely. I'd say the quality can definitely go up for sure. But then equality and corner, like that means you're upgrading your equipment, which is not the case sometimes, you know. So I feel like you have to be intentional with the content that you're making. Collaboration is also very important. I see Ulanga and that other guy, like they collaborate a lot and they're doing very well. I feel like what can improve is, I don't know, man. I feel like people in Bulawayo are just doing their own thing, hey? Like they're really pushing and like they're trying to push the culture, what they stand for and stuff like that. So I feel like people are just being authentic with who they are, for sure. So yeah.
Okay, so where can we get Ubuntu merch and
you can get it on Ubuntu Clothing, so _ Ubuntu Clothing on Instagram. The website is not open yet, but when these drop, the website will be open. And yeah, make sure you get it because it does sell out pretty quickly. Yeah.
Shout out, bro. So in closing,
Yeah.
we as a podcast, we've seen things that are happening in the country, worldwide. We have things as in depression.
Yeah.
Like like the youths unemployed, bro.
Yeah.
So like I know singer like Sisi Boys so but in closing, what message do you have for people that are going through the most right now because of unemployment and people that are going through depression of coming back to the country, and as umuntu waphuma but you're here now, and not saying that everything is perfect, but you're trying your best. Like what advice do you have for the people that are going through it now?
I'd say like Bambelele Nkosini, bro. Like bro, because like what I've seen most of the time is that as much as we can go to our peers and say, hey, I'm going through A, B, C, and D, like no one really would truly understand what you're going through. So I feel like if you like talk to God, and stuff like that, I feel like that's definitely it's gonna help you. Because I feel like no one can truly understand what we're truly going through inside. Yeah.
But I know, bro. Thank you very much for coming. What can we expect? Sikuthola ngaphi senzani sigijima nini sigijima ngaphi sihlangana ngaphi mina ngiyabuya for one of the
definitely village khona. Expect more running merch coming soon. These are dropping pretty soon as well. Expect more content, more collaborations, big collaborations coming up. Just expect to shake things up in 2026 for sure. You can find me on Instagram at Farai.Mbayowa, TikTok at Farai Mbayowa, and
Thank you very
That's
much,
it.
man.
No problem, man. Appreciate it.
Sure.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic coworker.